Here's everything I ate at a Christmas feast at Hogwarts. Guys, can you believe it? I was invited by Warner Brothers to visit the Harry Potter studios after hours for a Christmas feast in the Great Hall, followed by a tour of Hogwarts in the snow. It truly was the most magical night ever, so let me take you through it all.
We began the night with a Slug Club reception, starting off with some champagne and some Dragon Balls, which, when you bit in the middle, they did look suspiciously like quail eggs, but who am I to judge?
Next was some dragon tartare, which went down a treat. After the canapes, we were then led into the Great Hall, which, as if it's not already magical enough, has now been decked out for Christmas. For starters, we had this rich, creamy duck liver parfait, which was served with crispy brioche, cherry gel, whipped cauliflower, and a little sprinkling of toasted pistachios. This was such a textural journey, but honestly, everything on the plate worked very well together. On to the main course, and we were served a ballatin of slughorn turkey, accompanied by a chestnut bonbon, lots of gravy, plus all of the trimmings, including crispy roast potato, honey roast carrots, broccolini, Brussels sprouts, and pigs in blankets. I'll be honest, the turkey was a little on the dry side, but everything else was delicious. I mean, Christmas dinner, it always hits. Dessert were profiteroles stuffed with creme pat and covered in a rich chocolate sauce, which was actually very delectable, and I'm not normally a big chocolate sauce gal. After dinner, it was time to explore the studios, and I was so excited as it was my first time coming here. We walked through the Forbidden Forest, got chased by Dementors, visited platform 9 3/4, drunk butterbeer, aka the sweetest drink I've ever tasted in my life. Paid a little visit to Harry's house before being deafened by mandrakes at Professor Sprout's greenhouse. We broke into Gringo's bank before getting quickly chased out by a fire-breathing dragon. Then we wandered through Diagon Alley, shopped for a wand before seeing Hogwarts in all of its snowy glory. To finish the night, I got this gingerbread sweater, which I enjoyed on the taxi ride home. This truly was the most magical night ever.